Okay, well, just step on it real gentle.
Let's see, I want to see you go. Whoa! Do it again.
I'm scared.
You're fine. What's going to happen? You just let go and then it'll go.
Daddy will jump on and drop you.
Okay? Yeah, just go. Go real far. Go real far that way. Oh. Hold on, here. There. Okay, go. Go far. Go far and steer like you steer the big car.
It can't very go fast.
You just have to keep holding it.
Here, scoot over.
But it's kind of tipping over. That's how it tips.
Are you gonna?
Are you gonna drive it?
See? See, just like that, you just keep pressing on it.
Just hold it down.
Okay, fine.
Okay?
I'm scared.
Just go.
Stop.
Look,
Just press it and go real far.
You're not going to run into anything. It's just grass. Okay? Just
You
go
drove
that-
down the road from the church with
go
the big
that way.
car.
You drove the real car.
Okay? See? You can do it.
Where's Mommy?
She's down there. You drove away so fast she couldn't catch you.
So is she gonna catch me?
No, she's gonna do her pillows. Okay, keep going.
It's running out of battery.
Well, just press on it and go. Just go all the whole time. What?
What happens?
I don't know. Are you pressing the gas?
The stick.
Yeah, you ran over a stick.
So what happened?
You just ran over it. That's what happened.
So what happened?
So it's right there.
So what happened?
Nothing. You ran over a stick.
I pressed it.
Okay, so press the gas again.
I'll show
Oh, did it run out of battery?
you. Yes.
Let's see. Huh.
Run out of battery.
Okay. Hmm.